Hi there, I am your explainer, and today in this video, I am going to explain about geography of Japan. Why country is facing frequent earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. Japan is an archipelago nation off the eastern coast of Asia. Together with almost 3,000 smaller islands, the main islands include Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, Kyushu, and Okinawa. Mountains cover around 71% of Japan's area, with mountain ranges slicing across each of the country's main islands. At 12,388 feet, the famous Mount Fuji is the highest mountain in Japan. There have been a total of 130 significant eruptions over the past 1,300 years. Over 4,900 people were killed, and out of 67 volcanoes in Japan, 55 are considered still active. The main reason for volcanic eruption in Japan is because of its location and a volcanic zone along the Pacific. Japan experiences regular mild earthquakes and sporadic volcanic eruptions. Because of volcanic activity, there are many hot springs, some of which have been turned into resorts. Furthermore, climate is second reason. Japan's average temperature varies widely from year to year. But over the long term, it has been on an upward trend, rising at a rate of 1.15 C per 100 years, which is higher than the global average of 0.68 C per 100 years. Due to climate change, some regions are expected to see an increase in the number of days without rain, as well as increased occurrences of drought due to decreased snowfall. Due to climate change, rivers and lakes, water quality may deteriorate. Due to less water circulation and the increase in phytoplankton caused by rising water temperatures, there is a large area of land at 0 meters above sea level along Japan's three major bays: Tokyo Bay, Ise Bay, and Osaka Bay. Sea level rise has the potential to cause serious problems. Furthermore, changes in the course and intensity of typhoons could lead to an increased risk of high waves in coastal areas along the Pacific Ocean. Because of its geographical location and north-south orientation of the islands, Japan experiences diverse climates. Japan also have limited arable land. In Japan, only approximately 11.3% of the land is fit for farming. Because there isn't much flat land, creative farming methods like terrace farming on slopes have been developed. According to national statistics, the total number of agriculture management businesses in Japan dropped below 1 million in 2022. Based on the trend of diminishing numbers every 5 years, which we have seen, our predictions indicate that by 2050 there might only be 180,000 remaining. Due to this, agricultural production levels by value might drop to 4.3 trillion Japanese yen by 2050, which would be less than half of the 8.9 trillion Japanese yen in 2020. Natural hazards including earthquakes, tsunamis, and typhoons occurs every year due to its location in the Pacific Ring of Fire. Japan is also home to many dormant and active volcanoes. Last but not least, in Japan, air pollution is the most significant environmental problem. Japan is among the nations with the worst air pollution worldwide, by a wide margin. Moreover, the number of air pollution-related deaths is rising yearly. The two main sources of air pollution are industrial production and vehicular emissions, both of which come from burning fossil fuels. Overfishing and the effects of climate change are bad for Japan's fishing sector. The depletion of coral reefs and other vital fish nurseries due to climate change lowers the rate of replenishment of fish stocks. These are the main reasons why Japan is suffering every year. Despite this, Japan relies heavily on imports, making it the world's largest importer of coal, liquefied natural gas, and the second largest importer of oil. Spring is famous for cherry blossoms, while autumn showcases vibrant foliage. These seasons offer pleasant weather for outdoor activities, contrasting with the hot and humid summers. Japan is ranked number 3 in the world for well-developed infrastructure with all these natural disasters. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos.